Hello guys, welcome dito sa House and Lot Finder PH. My name is Justin Rieta and for today's video, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Santa V dito sa San Pablo, Laguna, in which i-feature natin yung single, parang single, pero mamaya meron niyang catch, yung ating bahay na mansion, at tinawag na mansion. So abangan natin yan dito sa House and Lot Finder PH. Itong si mansion is merong car garage dito sa tagiliran. Will give you a space, decent space, na kakasya talaga yung dalawang sasakyan. Okay? So kanyang floor, kanyang lot area is 80 square meters at saka ang floor area niya is 52 square meters. Ang floor area natin dito guys is divided into two kasi ganun yan no? First floor at saka second floor. Okay.